Welcome to this tutorial on configuring Wealthfront investing, a popular robo-advisory service that helps you manage your investments efficiently. To get started, you need to create an account on the Wealthfront website or mobile app. Fill out the registration form with your personal and financial information, and then verify your email address. Once you have created your account, you will be asked to set your investment goals, such as retirement, a down payment on a house, or general investing. Choose the goal that best fits your needs and risk tolerance. Wealthfront will then ask you a series of questions to determine your risk tolerance and time horizon. Based on your input, Wealthfront will recommend a diversified investment portfolio, which typically includes a mix of low-cost index funds, ETFs, and other securities. You can choose to accept the recommended portfolio or adjust it to suit your individual needs. To fund your account, you can link your bank account and transfer money electronically. Wealthfront offers a variety of account types, including individual and joint accounts, trusts, and IRAs. Make sure to review the fees associated with your account, which are typically a management fee of 0.25% per year. Wealthfront also offers tax loss harvesting, which involves selling securities that have declined in value to offset gains from other investments. This can help reduce your tax liability and optimize your investment returns. Additionally, Wealthfront provides regular portfolio rebalancing to ensure that your investments remain aligned with your target allocation. To monitor and adjust your portfolio, log into your account and review your dashboard, which provides an overview of your investments, including your portfolio composition, investment returns, and fees. You can also use the Wealthfront mobile app to track your investments on the go. Best practices for using Wealthfront include regularly reviewing and updating your investment goals and risk tolerance, taking advantage of tax loss harvesting, and maintaining a long-term perspective. By following these steps and using Wealthfront's automated investment services, you can create a diversified investment portfolio and work towards achieving your financial goals.